Alright, I got a lot of debate about swapping a car out to an electric fuel pump, carbureted. Here's the deal. If you get the right pump, it doesn't matter, it helps. Especially if you can put it back there at the tank. That's where they go. The part number you want, don't get the little plastic ones that hang on the wall. You're going to want this. E16010. It's a Precision at O'Reilly. I'm sure they sell it anywhere else. But here's the thing. Lifetime warranty. And it's not made to be one of those little disposable, crappy ones hanging on the performance wall. This one is designed the same way as the pumps that you put in, say, a 2014 Silverado or whatever. They're the same brand. It's the same quality. They're usually turbine style instead of a plunger. That plunger can lose compression, just like a piston, and stop pumping, even though the pump works. The turbine kind, they last 100 times longer. And if it doesn't, like I said, it's got a lifetime warranty. It's an inline, and it only runs about, well, the max on it is 9 pounds. So it only runs about 3 to 9 pounds of pressure. And I think 40 gallons an hour wide open. Most engines can't burn that much. And unless you're driving around town literally at red line for an hour to be able to burn that much fuel, this pump will carry it. I've got one on my F100 with the 360 in it and a Holly Street Avenger carb. And I've had no fueling issues. Wide open, cruising, whatever. Run it on a relay. See, I've got a nice little relay harness so that when the distributor gets power, it triggers the relay gets power, and it's coming straight from the battery right here. So it's getting enough juice for the pump. It's not wired direct on a switch can't get hot. It's run with a relay with a built-in fuse, little green thing there. So that's how you do it. And then we had to fix the fuel hose. It was all crapped out, like something tried to eat it. This is the 330 Jetfire V8. Really cool motor. But let's see what it. Oh yeah, let it sing, baby.